So excited to invite our second performer of the night, Ghazal Khanna. Give it up. Yes.
Thank you so much. That was one of the nicest introductions that I've gotten. So thank you. So my parents named me Ghazal, and I felt like I just took it as a kartavya कि अब मुझे I have to live up to that. So here we are. Okay. Also, how many of you guys came out? I can't see people now. So please make noise.
Lights off. What do you want?
No, please make noise then. How many of you came out in your 20s, late 20s, or maybe later than that? Please make noise. These are my people. These are my people. I am a late bloomer as well, and I feel like that as a late bloomer, you have certain behavior, things that you can point to your past and be like, oh my god, that was so gay of me. That was so gay of me. Seriously, why? How did people not see it? So it could be piercings or tattoos or something for somebody, but for me it was poetry. I can look back at my poems and be like, what? Okay? And I used to tell myself, I'm just taking a man's perspective, No. So this is one of those poems that were like, oh my god. Okay. So this is called One Seat Apart. See, I met this girl at the airport. We were sitting in the waiting area, 1 seat apart. I remember she was chewing gum in a bit of a boyish charm. While I sat there struggling to find my book through my backpack, she looked at me and smiled with the innocence of a little girl. Which flight? She asked me in a subtle yet clear voice. I remember she had these smoky greyish eyes and a nose ring. And her hair so tangled, and its every strand waved at me in a different direction. While I mumbled something in a language only I can understand. LM1055, the flight number. She looked at me patiently, as if this was a daily occurrence for her, but for me it was new. She was so different from what I saw in the crowd. See, she was a lot like me, but braver. She was everything I have always wanted to be, but apparently I was waiting for some right time. I remember she had this tattoo on the right side of her neck. And I could tell she can make all those guys weak in the knees. All the guys only jumped up. While I stand here trying to woo you with my poetry or try dropping hints at you, she would actually go and talk to you. She doesn't think before doing anything, and while I plan out roles and schemes and plots before even having a phone conversation. And when she talks, she looks you directly in the eye so fiercely that you will forget what you were talking about in the first place. See, she is a lot like me, but braver. And there we were, sitting at the airport, 1 seat apart. The girl that I am and the girl I've always wanted to be. Just 1 seat apart. Thank you. Seriously, how did people not know? Is it off? No, it's on, right? Huh. Seriously, like how did people not know? I mean, okay. Anyhow. That's what it is. So, एकदम perfect. Good. Check-in ज़रूरी होता है. Check-in is very important. Anyhow, how many of you guys have gone to therapy or like are going to therapy or familiar with the concept basically? Yeah. This is that. Yes, this is that. Interesting. I love that. So this question had nothing to do with my performance. I just wanted to know. Just for general knowledge, I just wanted to know. ठीक है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं मेरे जैसे. That's good to know. Okay. Though there's this one thing. I love to recite poetry and मैं मतलब जहाँ पे भी मतलब मौका मिलता है मतलब कहीं पे भी है ना तो मैंने थेरेपिस्ट को एक कविता सुनाई थी and she gave me a diagnosis. Yeah. और वो कविता मैं आप लोगों को सुनाऊंगी and I want you to guess that diagnosis. Do you guys want to play that game? Yes. Damn. जो भी guess करेगा उसे 5 स्टार मिलेगा. Sorry, budget का. नहीं यार, chocolate budget कम है यार, please. Okay. So this poem is called Living in a Box. I woke up this morning. I brush, floss, flush, bathe, I cook, eat, drink the breakfast. I then settle on my spot and sit in the company of my laptop. I work, play, write, edit, delete, send. I open my phone before I open my mind. I pick photo, caption, fill both with filter. I Instagram my life before I live it. Swipe, left, right, tick, tick, tick. I type, backspace, type, tick, tick, tick. The clock in my chest, tick, tick, tick. My mind doesn't know rest, tick, tick, tick. Hey, there's a BuzzFeed listicle. 10 things that help a person with depression. Check, check, check. On to next. 10 signs that you've been gaslighted. Skip. In my 10 moods, self-aware is not one of them. Tick, tick, tick. Take a quiz. What kind of potato are you? Tick, tick, tick. It's time to reset. Tick, tick, tick. My mind doesn't know rest. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick. I reach pupils. Water. Place. Gulp. Swallow. I now lay in the same spot as I sat all day, and as I lay looking at the roof, till everything in front of my eyes starts to blur. Thank you. So, what are the guesses? ADHD. Oh my god, right! Oh my god, I love you guys. I love this audience. This is my favorite audience. Love you guys. So, that was my set. And I'm really happy that you guys were so nice to me. Hi, I'm Ghazal Khanna. I don't think I introduced myself. So hi, I'm Ghazal Khanna. I am a writer, poet, whatever. 4-5 cheezein, I think we live in Bombay. Come on, all of us are writer, poets, actors. Just at this point, all of us. Yeah, I think that's that. In case you guys want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram by Syahian Box. Thank you.
Yeah.